Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to weigh luggage easily, and this will be a step-by-step tutorial. Once again, the topic of this video is as follows. I'll be showing you and telling you, but more specifically showing you a little life hack for specifically how to weigh luggage easily, a step-by-step tutorial. So it will be a step-by-step tutorial showing you how to weigh your luggage super easily. Let's get into this. If you have some luggage like this and you want to weigh it because you don't want to pay extra fees for your luggage being a little too heavies. We rhyme all the time, extra fees, heavies. Hopefully you got that there. Anyways, no more rhyming. If you don't want to pay any extra fees or any extra costs because your luggage is too heavy, this is a video for you. Now, I know you probably tried, I'm going to put this on my scale, right? You put it on the scale, it doesn't fit, the luggage is falling over, blah, blah, blah. Very easy trick. Here's what we're going to do. You're going to get a scale, okay? You don't need any special things. You just need a scale and yourself. Get a scale. Step on the scale and memorize that number. Let's say I'm 200 pounds, which is roughly accurate. 200, 210, depending on how I'm doing. So let's just say I'm 200 pounds, roughly accurate. So I step on the scale, I'm 200 pounds, okay? Of muscle, obviously, okay? You're gonna step off. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your luggage, hold on, so give it a good old bear hug like this, step on the scale again, and see what number it says. Let's say it says 208 pounds, right? You're going to calculate the difference. The difference between 208 pounds with the luggage and 200 pounds without the luggage is how much your luggage by itself weighs. I weigh 200 pounds. Myself and the luggage, as a combo, weigh 208 pounds. If I have 208 pounds and I take away my 200 pounds, I have just the luggage remaining, which would be 8 pounds. That's it. It's that easy. Step on the scale by yourself, look at the number, step off. Step on the scale with the luggage, look at the number, step off. Find the difference between those two numbers and you have the weight of your luggage. And that's it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.